Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lotus Cortina and this is by Hotwheels and this is a new casting for 2025 and I bought it for 179 which is the MRP. So I wanted to see how this one looks. So this is coming under this compacting series. So like the Treasure and Honda. I think I need to take my new knife out. This is it is getting a bit hard to cut these blisters. Okay. Okay, so here is the card art. I don't remember if I showed the card art for the previous set. I'm really sorry if I didn't. Okay, here it is. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really nice, compact, and it has good interior detailing to it. So it has good interior detailing to it. So okay, it has grill details here, which is really nice. It doesn't have any headlight detailing. It doesn't have any tail light detailing either, but it is embossed here. But this piece is actually plastic, and so the body is fully metal. Chassis is plastic. It does have this exhaust detailing here, which looks really cool, and not much of a chassis detailing, but so they could have painted something here, that would have looked really cool. I mean, they didn't do this, the exact same thing for that Honda as well. So it didn't had that headlight or tail light details. So I don't know why they are doing that. So the bumper here, that is plastic. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. $33 grams, not bad. That is good. Okay, let's roll this car. Okay, the wheels wobble a lot, especially the rear wheels wobble a lot, but still reaches the end. It rolls good. It is not smooth or anything, but it rolls really good. So detailing wise, it does look really nice. Apart from the headlight and tail light detailing, so the livery on this looks really nice. So let's rate this casting. So I would rate honestly 9 out of 10. Again, to be very honest, I'm taking 1 for this. There are no details, either on the front or back. I mean, that is a bit disappointing. But apart from that, the casting looks really solid, and it is really compact. It looks really cute as well. I mean, it looks really good as well. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.